Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x000704c7 on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check the internet connection. Go to fast.com and hit enter and check the internet connection speed on fast.com. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select troubleshoot. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter. The last solution will be to reset Windows Update components. So we have a list of commands here. Simply copy them. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Paste them here and hit enter. So it will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart all the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.